Hi, Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in Cheadle. The system's a combination boiler system. It's actually a new boiler fitment. Hopefully you can hear us. The wind interferes with the sound a little bit on this camera, I've noticed. But it's very, very cold, very windy. It's March now. I think it's March the 2nd or 3rd. 2018. The bad weather's in here, and it's really, really freezing cold. But anyway, the system's getting completely power flushed. The Hume Hull heating guys have fitted the boiler, done a really nice job, and we power flush their central heating system when they have a new boiler fitment. Okay, very, very good idea. If you're getting a new boiler fitted, do not get the new boiler fitted without getting the central heating system power flushed. If your boiler breaks down, if the system's not clean, it could invalidate the warranty on the boiler, and you may have to fork out for some fairly new expensive parts or even possibly a new boiler. So always get the system power flushed. If you're getting a new boiler fitted. The water's quite dirty coming out, quite rusty and sludgy. We'll show you. We've got the Camco magnet hooked up. We'll have a look at that later. We've got the Camco FX2 chemical in. And later on we're going to put Sentinel X100 inhibitor to prevent further rust and corrosion in the central heating system. Okay, so if you don't know what a power flush is, we'll quickly explain. Power flushing is just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, your boiler, your radiator, your pipework, getting all the rust, corrosion and metal out of the system. Power flushing, if it's done professionally, is the best thing you can do to your central heating system. Okay, you just wouldn't, compare it to putting a new engine in your car. You won't put the old oil back in, basically. That's really what it's all about, getting it all nice and clean so all that rust and corrosion isn't running through your boiler, your pipework and your radiators. Okay, it's not only for newer systems. I mean obviously it's a new boiler, but the system's probably, I think the system's about 30-year-old in here, basically, the actual radiator circuit system. So this is why it's getting power flushed, more than anything, to stop all that old rust and corrosion getting into the new boiler. Okay, that's why it's getting flushed. It's not only for newer boilers, it's for older systems as well, older central heating boilers. In fact, we sometimes go to boilers which are practically grinding to a whole, old things, back to Bermudas, things like that, ideal Mexicos. We get them up and running again. We revive the central heating system. So if you've got an old boiler as well, an old central heating system, we can power flush the central heating system. So my name's Barry Ayres. I'm a fully gas safe registered engineer. Very important. We sometimes need to get right into your central heating systems, right into your boilers, take components off, which if other engineers, if they're not gas safe registered, they're not legally allowed to do that. They're not legally allowed to do that. Okay. We cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown. We're based in Bramhall, Stockport, Manchester, but we cover, basically Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Yorkshire, parts of Derby, parts of Stafford for your central heating system. We were in Chester at the start of the week, we're in Blackpool the day after. We get around. If you're within 60 or 70 mile radius, we'll come and power flush your central heating system. Okay, our prices are up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies such as British Gas. You will receive a certificate upon completion of the power flush to BS 7593 standards stating the power flush has been done and it's been done correctly. This is all okay with your service provider, whether it be British Gas, HomeServe, E.ON, etc. And you're going to save a lot of money. If you're a British Gas customer, you're probably going to save in excess of £300 for the power flush of your central heating system. We know what we're doing. We actually think we're one of the best power flush companies in the country. We've done too many power flushes to not know what we're doing. We're very experienced across all sorts of situations. We find faults that other engineers don't find sometimes. We done a job the other day in Blackpool, and the system had a little pinhole in the feed pipe coming from the header tank, and really this was causing a lot of their problems. We replaced that little bit of pipe. We didn't charge the customer anymore. We texted the customer yesterday and we said, how's the central heating system? And they said it's all up and running great, Barry. So they were really happy with that. So if we find any faults, if you've got a service contract, we'll make a note of it. And then you can go back to your service contract and you can say, listen, this is not right, and they can come and replace that part then. Okay, after it's power flushed to BS 7593 standard. Alright, we're going to get back to you later, we've got a lot to do. We'll show you the magnet later on in there, see what's coming out of the system, and we'll just get back to you later. Okay? Okay, Barry, as Pro-powerflushing. Okay, we've taken the magnet out now, just back to this job in Chile, and we're going to zoom in. Can you see this magnet? Now if you look at the top of it, just that metal bit there, that's how thin it is, yeah? But all this black stuff on it is corrosion, it's sludge, it's magnetic sludge. Well, it's not magnetic sludge, but it's metal, so it's sticking to the magnet. So this is what power flushing is all about, getting all this rust and corrosion out of the system. Can you see that? Can you see there's some fairly big pieces on there now? I'll try and keep the camera steady. Can you imagine that going through your boiler, especially new condensing boilers now with a small plate heat exchangers, front passageways, combi boilers with pumps, valves, flow switches, diverter valves, etc. If you don't get that out of your boiler, it's just going to wreck it. And we've seen many boilers wrecked with this corrosion and metal, you know, if it's left in the central heating system. So this is a brand new boiler today. We're flushing the system to get all this out, and you can see what's come out. So the customer is going to have, you know, a really good warranted boiler. He's not going to have any problems if the boiler breaks down for whatever reason. Certainly not with sludge and rust anyway. So this is what it's all about. His warranty would be honoured. But at the end of the day, if you don't get this out and you've got a new boiler and the boiler breaks down within the first year or two, the manufacturer sends their engineers out. They find this rust and corrosion in the central heating system. You know, this could actually invalidate your warranty, and you may have to fork out for some fairly new expensive parts, or even possibly a new boiler if it's got proper into the heat exchanger, blocked it up so badly that it's just wrecked the heat exchanger basically. Okay, and we've seen that many times. Alright, so the job's going alright, getting a good flow around the system. We'll just get back to you later on today when the job's finished. Okay, thank you. That's the power flush done now in Chile, everything's heating up really well. Job's a complete success. So if you need any power flushing done, this is in Chile today, Stockport. Give me a call on telephone number 07836 353 985, or contact us through our website, pro-powerflushing.co.uk. Okay, thank you.